Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Ruby here today. You guys, I am going to do a full face of concealer on my face. So if you want to see, keep watching, my friend. So if you don't have a foundation, you don't have to buy a foundation. If you have foundation, well, that's good. But as for me, I do have foundation and I do have concealer. So today I am going to do a full face of concealer for my foundation. So instead of using a foundation, I am doing a concealer, you guys. So I already do my brows off camera, and then I also prime my face, and this is the poreless face primer from elf, you guys. So this is what I am going to use today on my face. I don't know where you are, but wherever you are, stay safe, you guys. It is a little bit hot in Canada right now. So I have a lot of concealer in front of me, and I'm looking for the darkest shade that I could find right now. So I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD for my face. So this is what I am going to use, you guys, for my face. So as I said, I prime. So let's um take out some of this concealer, and I'm going to dot it all over my face. I'm not gonna put any corrector on my face today, just the concealer, and then powder and whatever come after. So it's a little bit hot yesterday, you guys. I was out, and it's not a good weather here, and it's not just hot, it's humid, like, very, very humid here. So this is the amount right now I am going to put on my face. So I'm gonna use a spray on my face also, because sometimes I do like to use spray so that my face can be hydrated. So today I am using the Cake Prep Fresh Toning Mist. This is what I am going to use on my face to spray my face. So now I'm going to use a brush, and I'm just gonna blend the concealer on my face. I hope it don't mess up, because I have a fan close by me here, but I'm trying not to make the fan, like, you know. So I do turn down the fan a bit, but I'm telling you guys, I am roasting in heat. My skin are baking, like it's really, really not a good heat. It is very, very humid. So when you blend out the concealer, always make sure that you blend the concealer out properly on your face, so that the concealer doesn't get cakey. And sometimes you don't want to go to foundation. I think sometimes the foundation, and especially this time, is a little bit thick on the face, although some of these concealer are a bit thick also. As for me, I don't have I don't have expensive concealer, so I'm gonna use a sponge, and I'm just gonna blend in the concealer. So for instance, if you're looking for a lighter foundation for your face, and you don't have a foundation, you don't have to worry yourself. Just use your concealer to do the job, and it will do the job for you. And if you can see, this is how my face look right now. I am just blend in the concealer. So then I'm going to use a little bit of lighter concealer underneath my eyes, and I am going in today with this concealer from Essence. It's a little bit light, you guys, but it's a full coverage. It's really, really nice. So I'm not gonna put a lot of this concealer. I'm just gonna put a bit on my nose here, and on my cupid bow, and a little bit on the hair. And then I'm just gonna put a small amount on my eyes, just 3 dots of the concealer on my eyes. So also I have this, and this is from Shein. This is one of their contour stick. I am going to use this. I bought this some time ago from Shein. I bought two of them, but this one is the mostly one that I use, as it is a cream contour. If you don't have a cream contour stick, you can use the powder one, but I like to go in with both the powder one, and also I like to go in with the cream one. And this is a little bit light, but it do perform its job. So today, let's blend out the concealer underneath my eye. When you use concealer and then when you put concealer under your eye, make sure that you let it sit there for a couple seconds and then you blend it out. It's more absorb better and it blend out more better for your eye or your under eye. So now I am going to blend out the contour. I'm use a different part of the sponge that hasn't used as yet, and I'm going to blend out the contour on my cheek, which you can hardly see, but it does warm up my face for the concealer that I'm using. It does warm up my face, you guys. So now I'm going to also blend around my nose here. So now I have this, which is L'Oreal Rema bronzer, which I am going to use, and I'm going to use the same brush that I used to blend the concealer. I'm gonna use it here because it's already a little bit damp, so I'm just gonna use it on my cheek here to blend in at my cheek also, so it can warm up my cheek. So I'm gonna put some on my forehead also, because I'm trying to warm up the concealer on my face. So if I use this bronzer, and I'm also putting it on right here at my jawline, and you can see how beautiful this look, you guys. It's really of a nice nice bronzer. I love this bronzer from L'Oreal, but they are on a bit of the pricey side, as you know. So now I am going to use this thing here, and I'm going to put some just around my nose, my nose, sorry. So let's do this, you guys. So I'm gonna use this and just get a little bit of this, and I'm just gonna contour my nose with this bronzer also, so it doesn't if I can make my nose a little bit straighter, because people do use contour stick to contour their nose, so I'm using it also. So let's just put a little bit of this concealer in the middle here of my nose. Okay, you guys, so now I am going to use two powder here. I'm going to use my e.l.f. powder, which is, so I am going to use my e.l.f. powder and put some of the powder underneath my eyes so I can set the concealer. And I'm just putting a small amount. So guys, I am going to do my eyes and then I'm gonna come back. So guys, I am back with my final concealer makeup look. So there's no foundation, just concealer, powder, blush, bronzer, and eyeshadow, and some lipstick. All you need, you guys, just a couple of earrings, two earrings in your ears to carry off this look. And this is what I've done. And this tutorial is mostly for beginners who, you know, can't afford a foundation, and if they have concealer, you don't have to go out and buy foundation. When I started makeup, I wish I know that I could just use the whole concealer on my face instead of foundation, then I wouldn't end up bought so much foundation. But because when I just started it, I didn't even realize that you could use concealer, you guys, on your whole face. So today you got it. Concealer, face, makeup. And this is the final look, you guys. And I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. God bless you. If you are not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell, that when I do upload a video, you can be notified. I want to say God bless you. Stay safe, stay beautiful, stay out of the heat, you guys. And remember, kindness is the key. I want to say God bless you, and I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.